So this is in terms of the pull down menu. Okay. So what are the advantages? Think about it. Okay. Pull down menu. The menu bar is basically a reminder of its existence. It says, okay, menu bar, it only tells, okay, these are the things that are there. Okay. These are the ones that are there. They may be located relatively consistently on the screen. Okay. No window space is required. No window space is consumed, just like your menu bar. Okay, because they'll be hidden, right? They'll be hidden. You need to pull it down. That's why it's called no window space is consumed when they're not used. Okay, they're usually browsed through. Okay, the vertical representation, menu bar was a horizontal representation. This is a vertical representation. The vertical orientation is most efficient for scanning. So all those things are advantages. Any 2 or 3, minimum. Okay, 2 or 3 is minimum. Okay, 3 is a good count. Three advantages, disadvantages you sort of need to keep in mind when you're writing this question. Okay, the disadvantages of pull down menus are what? They require searching and selecting from another menu before seeing the options. Okay, they require looking away from the main working area to sort of read it. Okay, so this is in terms of the pull down menu. Okay, in that, what are the things that needs to be kept in mind? First one, how do you display it? Okay, how do you sort of display all possible alternatives? When you're going for display, you need to sort of display all possible alternatives, right? Pull down menu, think about it. Okay, you are giving, maybe like something like a quiz, which is designed as a pull down menu. So what do? You choose, and there'll be lots of options. All those options, in that options, you need to say, okay, which is the options that you're basically trying to choose. Think that you're giving stars. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the meaning of that? You need to specify all possible alternatives. It's not like, in the pull down menu, give only 1 star because you don't like a movie. You're going to give only 1 star because the menu itself is having only 1 star. That's not possible, right? That's not good also. There should be a choice. Based on that choice, whoever wants it, whatever they want to do, they can sort of do that. Okay, so display gray out all dim items that cannot be chosen due to the current state of application. Your location, where do you think it will be? Position the pull down menu directly below the selected menu bar choice. Okay, that's what we do, right? I mean, we go click on it. Obviously, just below that, we'll have a pull down menu to select whichever we want. Okay, size, it should contain minimum of 2 choices because otherwise it's stupid. You can put it in the menu bar itself, right? Minimum 2 choices should be there when you go for a pull down menu. Okay, restrict not more than 5 or to 10 choices. Generally, it may not be 5 or 10 and all. It will be close to around that, mark of 6, 7, something like that. Okay, it will not be 10 also, it will not be that less of 5 also. Okay, title, not necessary on a pull down menu because the title will be in the name of a menu bar item that needs to be sort of chosen. Okay, so what are the item descriptions? Okay, what and all it should be there, how it should be there. You can use mixed case, okay, or you can go for an headline style words, and it can have what you call as the data that can be displayed in form of graphically, fill in patterns, shades, or something like colors, textual descriptions. Okay, they may not be sort of necessary, and you can use mixed case, headline styles, any case, whichever you feel comfortable. Now, what is the most thing which you should not do? Identify the menu item by the same wording as its menu title. This is something that needs to be kept in mind. Okay, what is the meaning of that? Think, you're clicking on file. Okay, second, I'll just show it here itself. Let's go for the ones which we always been a fan of, maybe a code blocks thing. Okay, so let me show it in terms of code blocks itself. Okay, so what is that they're trying to say? They're clearly saying that we should be very careful of not allowing the menu item and the ones that is going to come down next with the same wording. What's the meaning of that? If you click on file, it should be having all the options, right? Now options would be something like save a file, okay, open a file, open a new file, save as, okay, print, exit, something like that. And if you click on file, if the same, again, the pull down menu is also file, then it is not right. Okay, then it is not right. That's what they say, that we should not be having the same name or the same wording as its menu title. Change the meaning of the menu items through the use of the shift key. Okay, use scrolling in the pull down menus, place instructions in the pull downs and all. Okay, what is organization? The organization is follow standard platform ordering schemes when they sort of exist. Okay, you're going to place frequent or critical items at the top, separate the distinctive choices from the other choices, align the choices into columns. Okay, generally it will be in vertical representation, so you need to align all those things in form of a column. Left align the column choice descriptions. Multi-column menus are not desirable. Okay, generally not desirable. If necessary, organize top to bottom, then to left to right. Okay, so layout, this is how it should be, right? It will generally be like this only. You click on justification, you can see all the things that are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have 4. Okay, leave the menu bar choice leading to the pull down highlighted in the selected manner. Okay, physically the pull down menus must be wide enough to accommodate the longest menu item description and its cascade or an accelerator. What's the meaning of cascade? The cascade is very simple. You're going to see next. Okay, what's the meaning of that? See, I clicked on justification. The next one I click on none. Okay, after none, if there is one more option visible under none. Okay, under none, if there is one more thing coming in, that's called cascading. What's the meaning of cascading? The literal meaning of cascading is one after other like that. So justification, then you have none, then you click on none, you have something else. Okay, that is what they say, that they should be wide enough space to accommodate the longest menu item description and its cascading effects. Okay, so you're going to align the first character of the pull down description under the second character of the applicable menu bar choice. Okay, so all these things again, I've gone in for a more detailed version. So please keep this in mind and try to sort of write almost everything that is possible. Okay, it may not be necessarily the same words. Okay, people don't expect the same thing to be scanned and printed in your video booklet. They want whatever you understood to be written properly. Okay, how it will be, the menu, the title, the layouts, everything. Okay, with some sort of a clear cut simple diagram. Okay, so groupings and all, you can see this is what I was talking about. Okay, file, when you open it, you have a new file, you have open, save as, print, printer setup, exit. Okay, and what does it say? They are grouping it in terms of the names also. You can see N, O, yes, Control S is for save. Okay, Control A is for save as, Control P is for print. And check the ones that has been underlined. They clearly say, okay, you can instead use this also. Okay, so that is something that you need to sort of keep in mind. Okay, pull down leading to another pull down. So this is what I was talking about. If a pull down choice leads to another pull down, provide a cascade indicator as follows. How? Like this. See, I'm taking fonts. In that font, if I click, one more click will be there. Then again, one more click will be there. So it will be more like saying under this they'll be having one more. Okay, something which you need to sort of keep in mind. Okay. So let's take this into perspective. Okay, let's me go into this. Yes, yeah. See, it's a DS4. Yeah, DS data structure pro. See, these are the menus for me. This is a menu bar. The one that you see on the top is a menu bar. The one that you see towards down, file. When you click on file, you can check the way the options are there. You have new. Inside new, you have again so many other things. Okay, this is a cascading effect. See, file is a menu bar. In that, this entire thing is a pull down menu. In that file, if I click, you have one more thing that is coming in. That is my cascading menu. Okay, so you can check all the things that are basically right here, and they are even specifying the options, the keyboard specification options. Control O matlab open the new file. Control S is nothing but saving the file. Control Shift S is nothing but saving all the files. Okay, quit is Control Q. P probably is nothing but Control P. Export, what is the meaning of export? Where you can export it as a program as whichever way you want. Okay, so all these things are nothing but a pull down menu thing. Okay, the one that you see here, the one that is represented like this is nothing but by cascading effect. Okay, so say again, try to link the ones which you already know so that it becomes